Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to easily fix typos in your images using Canva's powerful AI tools. Let's dive in.
This is Optimized Tube.
First things first, head over to canva.com. If you don't have an account yet, go ahead and sign up. It's free. Next, click on Create a Design at the top right corner. You can choose any design size you need for your project. Now, let's upload the image you want to edit. On the left side, click on Uploads. Then, Upload Files. You can either browse your files or simply drag and drop your image into the upload area. Once your image is uploaded, resize it to fit your canvas. Just click and drag the corners to adjust the size. Okay, so as you can see here, I have this awesome meme that I created using ChatGPT and DALL-E. But there's a little problem. The words are misspelled. Thankfully, Canva's AI tools make it super easy to fix this. First, select the image you want to edit. Then, go to Edit Image at the top. These are Canva's Magic Studio image editing tools. Note that you might need a pro account to access some of these features. Personally, I use Canva almost every day and believe the pro account is worth every penny. For this task, we will use the Grab Text tool. This tool uses AI to detect text in your image. You can select specific text areas you want to edit, or choose to edit all the text at once. The Grab Text tool not only detects the text, but also matches the font, making your edits seamless. Simply select the text you want to change. Make your corrections, and voila, your image is as good as new. You can explore the other options available. You can change the font, change the color, and add different effects. So there you have it. A quick and easy way to fix typos in your images using Canva's AI-powered tools. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.